Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today, we are going to learn about factoring polynomials with greatest common monomial factor. But here is the twist. We are doing it through a story. I know math plus stories sounds fun, right? We are going to follow a simple story that will help us make the concept way easier to understand. So grab a pen, get comfy, and let's jump into the adventure. Samantha loves gardening and has decided to build a new rectangular garden in her backyard this spring. She plans to plant flowers along the edges and vegetables in the middle. To make the garden look neat and organized, she wants the length and width of the garden to be expressed using algebraic expressions that depend on a variable x, which represents a unit of measurement related to the size of the plants. After measuring, Samantha finds that the length of the garden can be represented by the polynomial 6x squared plus 9x meters. The width of the garden can be represented by the polynomial 3x squared plus 6x meters. Before calculating the area of her garden, Samantha wants to simplify these expressions to make the multiplication easier. She decides to factor out the greatest common monomial from both the length and width expressions. Now here's the question. What is the greatest common monomial that Samantha can factor out from both the length and width of her garden? After factoring, write the simplified expressions for the length and width. Bonus tip. Using the factored expressions, write the simplified expression for the total area of the garden. So, for the story recap, Samantha is designing a rectangular garden. The length of the garden is 6x squared plus 9x meters. The width of the garden is 3x squared plus 6x meters. She wants to factor both expressions to make it easier to calculate the area. So we have here the step-by-step solution. Step 1. Factor the length expression. 6x squared plus 9x. So we are going to look for the greatest